Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 13th of November, 2024. The Sensex and Nifty closed deep in the red on November 13th, marking their fifth consecutive day of losses as inflation concerns and a sell-off in metal stocks weighed on market sentiment. The Nifty has now dropped nearly 10% from its all-time high of around 20,200 reached on September 27th. At the close, the Sensex had shed 984 points, or 1.3%, settling at 77,690, while the Nifty declined 324 points, or 1.4%, to 23,559. Among the Nifty 50's biggest laggards were Tata Steel, Eicher Motors, M&M, Hindalco, and Hero Motocorp, each down 3 to 4%. Meanwhile, Britannia, Tata Motors, NTPC, HUL, and Asian Paints were the top gainers. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of CESC dropped nearly 5% following its mixed Q2 financial year 2025 earnings. The company reported a modest 1% increase in consolidated net profit to 353 rupees crore, driven by strong results from power subsidiaries Haldia and Chandrapur. However, standalone profit fell by 5% to 220 rupees crore due to higher interest costs. For the quarter, CESC's revenue rose 8% year-on-year to 4,700 rupees crore. CESC's EBITDA rose by 1.5% year-on-year to 1,085 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2025. Sequentially, net profit slipped 6.6% and revenue declined 3.4%. Shares of GLOBUS Spirits extended its loss to second consecutive day, down over 16% to 890 rupees per share on November 13th. The decline came on the back of muted July-September quarter performance. With this drop, the stock is down over 20% in the past 1 month, underperforming benchmark Nifty 50's 5% decrease. Earlier, GLOBUS Spirits had hit 52-week high of 1,373 rupees apiece on September 17, 2024. In Q2 financial year 2025, the liquor company reported 88% year-on-year drop in standalone net profit at 1.5 rupees crore from 13 rupees crore in the year-ago period. However, the company's standalone revenue from operations rose 18% year-on-year to 875 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2025 as compared to 739 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2024. The management said that Delhi dispatches were affected in Q2 due to transition in new portal by Delhi Excise. It is stable since October and business has bounced back. Faced packing costs pressure in H1 financial year 2025, working on easing them in H2 financial year 2025, the company added. Shares of FAIRCHEM Organics plunged over 11% on November 13th, extending losses for fifth straight day. The sharp fall today comes after the specialty oleochemicals manufacturer reported a disappointing set of earnings for the quarter ended September 30th, 2024. FAIRCHEM Organics reported a 61% year-on-year decline in consolidated net profit to 4.01 rupees crore for Q2 financial year 2025, with revenue slipping 9% year-on-year to 138 rupees crore. The company's EBITDA fell 48% year-on-year to 8.74 rupees crore, and margins contracted to 6.3% from 11.05% in the prior year period. Shares of PNC INFRATECH plunged around 7% to hit a fresh 52-week low after the infrastructure firm reported a 43.6% year-on-year decline in net profit at 83.5 rupees crore quarter ended September 30, 2024. Its revenue from operations fell 25.3% year-on-year to 1,427 rupees crore. At the operating level, the company's earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization dipped 10.9% to 356.4 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2025 and the EBITDA margin stood at 25% in the reporting quarter against 20.9% in the prior year period. PNC INFRATECH is a player in infrastructure development, handling projects from highways, bridges, flyovers, airport runways, power transmission lines, water supply systems, and industrial area development. The company's work spans various sectors, focusing on design, engineering, procurement, construction, and operations and maintenance. Dev Information Technology Limited in daily time frame is trading around 168.66 points with a change of 12.75% and is trading with a net volume of around 685.274 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 154.20, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 66.55. Ishanti Color Chemistry Limited in daily time frame is trading around 62.75 points with a change of 10.09% and is trading with a net volume of around 4,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 62.03, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 51.15. Terra Software Limited in daily time frame is trading around 155.15 points with a change of 10% and is trading with a net volume of around 140.755 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 116.70, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.32. For the stock recommendation we have, MedPlus Health Services Limited looks good and can be bought at 684 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 670 rupees and a target of 718 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.